Sun, rain and snow, smog and pollution, and time itself. All these elements combine to age and tatter your flag. Colonial Flag offers affordable and convenient services to help you maintain the pristine condition of your flag. Flag rotation. We make flag care convenient and hassle-free with our flag rotation service. By setting up a flag rotation account with Colonial Flag, you receive individual attention and scheduled rotation from our experienced staff. We carefully store one clean and repaired flag in your designated bin inside our facility for each flag you are flying on your flagpoles under your account. At the time of your scheduled or requested rotation, we come to your location, remove the tattered flag, and respectfully hoist the fresh flag. The tattered flag is then brought to our facility for cleaning and repair, and then placed back into your holding bin awaiting your next flag rotation. When your flag has reached the point where it is beyond repair, you will receive a courtesy call requesting your permission to put a beautiful new flag up on your flagpole at the time of your next rotation. Whether at your home or your business, we take care of all the details, ensuring that you are always flying a flag that looks its best. We recommend rotating your flag 6 times per year, though big flags will need rotating more often. Pricing for our flag rotation services can be found on our website or just give us a call. Our prices are listed per service call, and as an added value, all flag rotation customers receive a 20% ongoing discount toward the purchase of new flags and hardware.